The Gifted Education Planner is another assessment tool that we can incorporate in our body of evidence for gifted identification. This tool is a criterion reference assessment as it actually provides a rating given points based off of if the student is considered in the gifted range or if the student just has it as a strength or not at all. This planner itself includes multiple inventories. All of these inventories are housed within Pueblo 70 Google Drive, and each school has their own set. The gifted representative at your school, as well as your principal, have access to all of these assessments, and they're the ones who will distribute them out to the individuals who need to see them. There are 9 assessments within the Gifted Education Planner. One of these that you can see on the screen, because if you count, there's actually 10. One of these is actually the Gifted Evaluation Scale, which I talked about in the other video. This is just the electronic form of this, so that can be done that way versus the paper pencil. The rest of them that are here, there is one for parent, one for a teacher, and the rest of them are for the student. Not all of these are necessary to complete. The team must decide which ones you want to provide out, and individual links are sent to the participant to fill out the survey. So it might be to email to the parent. It might be an email to you as the classroom teacher to complete. You as the teacher might also receive the student survey link as well so that you can open it up and have the student do it in your class. Or it might be directly emailed to the student if the student's of age to do it that format. Another great thing that we can do is with our access of technology, we can put the link on a computer and have the student do it on an individual computer or an iPad at any time. So it allows us to have more flexibility with this. Teachers are also able to submit rather quickly, and results can come back rather quickly. All of your GT representatives have the evaluation scoring spreadsheet, so they will be the ones to collect and score and report back out to the team on what the inventories came back with. So to give you an idea of what each one of these kind of looks like, I'm going to go ahead and share with you. Here is one for the parent. The parent's called the PIP, or the Parent Inventory for Finding Potential. It's real simple. This whole form is easy to fill out. They just type in the box or select the item. They would write here their child's name, select their child's age, their grade that the student is in, and the gender. As you notice on these questions, some of these questions are required for them to complete in order to get an accurate score. So that way they can't skip over something and not complete the whole evaluation. All of these require a behavior or a descriptor, and a parent has to state on a scale of 1 to 4 whether they see that behavior in their student or child seldom or never, or for 1, or for a score of a 4 almost always. Not all of these are necessarily positive characteristics, but we know that with gifted education kiddos, true gifted education kiddos. There's another inventory that's for teachers. This one's called the Teacher Inventory of Learning Strengths. This one does not replace the GES. This is just another one that can be completed for more information. Again, this one just has a rating of what the behavior is and a scale of 1 to 4. At the very bottom of each of the assessments, all that you have to do is just click Submit, and then it goes to a spreadsheet for the gifted representative to score. The student ones are specific in different areas. So there's science, math, reading, the arts, and in addition, there's another one about attitudes and motivation towards school in general. And last, there's also how do you like to learn, so students can kind of rate the way their learning preference looks like, and that really can help with the advanced learning plan and programming for that. If students are younger students that are not of age to be able to read yet, this entire form can certainly be read to them. Also, any of our students that are ELs, any of the forms that need to be translated into another language, we can certainly do. We just need to be notified, so please let your GT representative know if you need it in that capacity. Same with the parent inventory as well, and we can get these translated. Once everything gets through, your gifted representative, again, will report back to the team. Please be aware that because this is a rating scale for gifted, that parent permission has to be obtained prior to completing any of these or sending any of these out. and the ratings will be a part of their body of evidence. If you have any questions or concerns, please contact your gifted representative at your school. If they need more information, they can certainly consult with me as well in regards to all of these assessments. Thank you.